Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about how to install n8n locally, and I'll show a simple example of using it. So basically, I'll be kind of following this article I've written on Medium. If you're interested, I recommend you take a look at it either after or alongside with this video, because some of the links are on this. You can just copy paste it. So I'll put the link to this article in the description of this video as well. So let's take a look at it. So some of the links are for Mac machines, but you can definitely follow this. If you are running Windows or Linux, it's very simple to find those links as well. So for the n8n self-hosted links, this is the one. I have this open here already. Once you're here, the README file is very detailed. It does show you the history and a lot of installation details. I have summarized it in my article. So if it's installed or not is that you open the terminal, command space key and terminal. So it's opened. You can see if it's installed or not by git. Now mine is installed, but yours will say something not found. So if yours says git not found, then you need to install it. So to install that, you may have to install brew, I believe. The link here, the link of how to install Git. I basically just followed the instructions here for the machine I have. So after Git is installed, you will find out if you have Docker desktop installed as well. This one you just click on here if it's not, but the same thing, you can find out if Docker is installed or not. Here is how you start the Docker is to find it after install the Docker desktop. You can run it, you can start it. So it'll say welcome to Docker. So I'll skip, click the skip here. You can see I've already run Docker Compose, so I have this container right here, and I think it is running. You can see the square icon here, the blue square icon. So if you follow the README file, it'll say you can open this web page in your browser to continue set up the n8n. So I believe I have everything running. So after I click on this, I see the n8n page where I have the basic demo workflow that comes from with the installation, and the YouTube RSS feed trigger, which I have already created, that one refers to this one, the example, the YouTube new video alert for a channel. So going back to the n8n screen, the demo workflow, if I click into it, I see. So if I try to send a message, say hello, yeah, it's going to fail. It says probably in Node. The other workflow, this workflow I created to receive the RSS feed from a YouTube channel and put the feed into one of the Google Sheets. So if I execute that, looks like it worked. It has appended a row in the spreadsheet with the title link, pub date, I believe the ID, I also put it in there. So here I have the steps of creating that example. So just to go over this again. So in order to create the workflow for this, to get the YouTube video alerts, you need a RSS feed. To create the RSS feed trigger node, to customize it, you would, for example, if I want to create a new workflow, the first step is the RSS feed trigger. You click on that. You will specify the pull times. Paste it here. And I can do this. I can test it out, fetch event. So I got this back from the RSS feed trigger node. It has this. So you can look at it as table or JSON. And so this node is done. You click it back to canvas. So now we have this node here. After the RSS feed trigger is run, it's going to produce some data just like this, and how you want to use it is what the next node is going to do. So you can, for the example I've created, is that the next thing I want to do is to put it in a Google spreadsheet. So I want to append row in sheet. There are a few other actions. In here, you would connect with Google Sheets account. So I've already set up this connection. Before I set it up, I had to create new credentials. And on the internet, there are a lot of people have written, or YouTube has a lot of videos showing how to do that. You can just follow, how to link the credentials, create credentials on the Google Cloud platform for your own, particular account. So you can link that. So to fill out the values to send, you just for title, you go back to RSS feed trigger, because that's the previous node to the node we are creating. So go back here. You can drag the title and drop it in this title here. So it'll create this code. If you click on somewhere else, it'll take that. That's what we want. And the second one is the link, the date, and the snippet. I put the ID in there because I don't see a snippet column in this list on the left hand side. So I will put the ID just for now to create the row in the spreadsheet, in the Google Sheet. So that is that. I believe if we do execute step, it's going to append a row in the spreadsheet itself. Yeah. So if I open the spreadsheet, I will see a new row there. Okay, thank you, and hope you enjoyed it. And if there are questions, please post it in the comments, or go on to Medium, post comments there. Either way, thank you for listening, watching, and subscribe, and I'll keep you posted on new articles and videos. Thank you. Bye.